this. You know, it's not something easy to listen to birds like this. And it's stated in the Quran that all the birds and the trees are actually praising God.
تسبح له السماوات السبع والأرض ومن فيهن وإن من شيء إلا يسبح بحمده ولكن لا تفقهون تسبيحهم إنه كان حليما غفورا.
It's only us who do not understand the language. That is why no matter if you believe in God or not, you are an atheist or not, you always have the same impact from the nature, because your soul understand it. You know?
Yeah.
Everybody find peace listening to all this. And it gives us calmness.
I guess that's one way to put it.
Huh?
Like the wind also.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So can you imagine when we walk in the wood, the birds, the trees, and all the insects are praising their creator, and suddenly human beings swearing. So bad.
Yeah.
Even non-living things.
Yeah.
And somehow we destroy nature.
You know, actually, even the stone, the rock,
Everything
that is considered as a non-living thing, actually, it's living.
yeah.
It reacts to the surrounding. And in the Quran, it's been mentioned that the rocks, you know, broke into smaller pieces and fall from the cliffs because they fear God.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ثم قست قلوبكم من بعد ذلك فهي كالحجارة أو أشد قسوة وإن من الحجارة لما يتفجر منه الأنهار وإن منها لما يشقق فيخرج منه الماء وإن منها لما يهبط من خشية الله وما الله بغافل عما تعملون.
But because trees, rocks, you know, all these things, they don't have mind, and because they don't have mind, they don't have free will, meaning that they cannot choose. They stay as commanded. If you take a rock and then you throw it somewhere, it will fly as it should be. It will not go the opposite.
Yep.
Because it has no free will.
I think I remember this. Yeah, I feel like we've been here.
We did.
Oh.
You want to go there? All these are berries. See?
Yeah. You're just going.
Wait for us. You know? We'll come back. And there are very, very few snakes in Finland.
There's snakes in Finland?
Yeah.
But like very, 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 very few.
Very few.
Like 200 only.
Rarely you will find it when you walk in the wood. The only thing I fear in the wood is snake.
Yeah. And the toilet.
Oh, that's okay.
Umi made me traumatized when she told me that one of her patient thing got bit by a snake that she did check. It was under the bowl. I was like, oh my god.
Oh, it happened quite frequently, man.
Yeah, I know, which made me so scared of toilets.
Yeah. Especially if you go to toilets like
Public.
at the RNR in Malaysia, where they have bushes and forests nearby.
Yeah, that's why Umi said to me, always check. I mean, always brush.
True.
I mean, always like flush your toilet first.
Yeah. So we're almost home, and if we want to go to for swimming, this is the way behind us.
Really?
Yeah, the good thing living in Oulu is that we are very close to nature,
Finland, 80% of Finland is covered by forests.
which is good.
Yeah.
So tourists who are looking for hype, landmarks, they won't find those things in Finland. But if they appreciate nature,
This is the best place to go.
this is the best place to come. And it's very clean, and people respect nature.
You can get a very huge fine if you throw trash.
So anyone tempted to come to Finland? We invite, but you have to come by yourself. It's so nice when summer arrives.
Better than winter.
Winter is also beautiful, but
I know.
it limits a lot.
But last year it was such a bad winter.
Because of the inconsistency.
Of what?
Sometimes it's raining, and then it became so cold, and then
Yeah.
very unpredictable.
Winter 2017 and early 18 was nice.
Okay guys, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, how's it? Subscribe and share. I can't believe I'm doing this. Assalamualaikum.